Thieves broke into the home of Felix and Marzia Kjellberg and stole 90% of Marzia's valuables. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know here for you on IO. What is gravy? Welcome back to InformOverload, where we tell you about the biggest news stories currently trending on the internet that YouTube will allow us to monetize. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Stick around and subscribe so you never miss a video, and follow the IO team on social media. If you guys hear of any stories that you think would be great for IO, just send me a DM, and if I choose your story, you might just see it on our channel. Maybe. Alright. On a more serious note, according to an Instagram story posted to Marzia's account, thieves broke into their home and stole most of Marzia's valuables. This was the Instagram story she posted. Our house was broken into and they took 90% of my valuables, from my jewelry to luxury goods and special items I've been collecting over the years. It's all gone. I know it's very materialistic and I should be happy with what was left, but I can't hide the shock and sadness with it all being taken away just like that. PewDiePie and Marzia live in Brighton, England, and although their address isn't public, they have had issues with security and privacy in the past. And I mean, unless you live in like a gated community or extremely secure condo, there's always the chance that fans will find out where you live. With 100 million subscribers, there's bound to be weirdos who target YouTubers. If you tag yourself in a story on Instagram, for example, and you put the location of where you are, someone can find you and then follow you home. That's why when I post stories, I always post them after I've already left a place. I've actually had a scare with a fan in the past, so that's why I do that. I'm not saying that this is how someone found PewDiePie's house, but it's a possibility. Followers have shown up to his house several times, and it's become such an issue that PewDiePie had to post a video called "Don't Come to My House." I'm honestly shocked to see that there's been quite a few people on social media who said that it's not a big deal that Marzia's material possessions were stolen because PewDiePie's like one of the richest YouTubers and all that could be easily replaced. Dude, not everything can be easily replaced. What if Marzia had some like special items given to her by Felix that were stolen? Everyone has objects that might not be valuable, but they mean something to that person. And I'm just thankful that only objects were stolen. What if something worse happened? What if someone broke into their house and meant to harm them? I honestly don't even want to think about it. It's pretty scary. At this time, Felix hasn't publicly addressed the robbery on social media, probably because he's dealing with police and all that fun stuff. Fans ended up coming out with suggestions on how to get their valuables back and also how to protect themselves in the future. They could hire a private eye, install security cameras, or even move to a place that's far more secure to prevent this kind of thing from happening. It really sucks to tell them that they have to like move their entire lives, but maybe it has to be done. And I actually have a few YouTuber friends that take extra measures, like they keep all their valuables inside of a panic room / walk-in closet that can only be accessed with fingerprints or a code lock. Tell me your thoughts on this one down there in the comments, and while you do that, I'm going to respond to some comments from my video. Do not try influencers practice for good health if you care about your health. Demonic Angel said, I clicked by accident, but once I heard Charlotte's voice, I sat down and relaxed for some genius time. Stick with me, kid. I'll make you a genius. I've been watching the Irishman all weekend, so now the accent's stuck in my head. Adores Aaliyah since '94 said, so we're mooning the sun now. Okay, yes we are. Did anyone get that memo? We're mooning the sun? Reg Hodder said, you make my day, lady, when I watch you and the rest of the crew. I have learned to tune my children out for 5 to 10 minutes 3 times a day. Thank you all so very much. You all put out such good content. I appreciate all of it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for that nice comment. Aww. Hannah Rachel said, so we can't say shove it where the sun don't shine anymore. Alright, that is it for me, and thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you in a future IO video.